On this episode, I'll show you how to create this whimsical Valentine's Day card using die cuts, Ranger Distress ink, a JudiKins rubber stamp, and an Ohuhu art marker. Die cut a 5" by 7" piece of white cardstock with the polka hearts cover die. Cut a 5" by 7" rectangle of the I Love You cardstock. Cut a 4 3/8" by 5½ window in the center of the cut I Love You cardstock with the Hero Arts Infinity die. Using Mini Ink Blending Tool, apply Distress ink to cut polka dot hearts cardstock. Let inked cardstock dry completely. Attach the frame to the front of the folded 5 by 7" red cardstock using the tape runner. Attach inked cardstock to face of red card using tape runner. Using deep red cardstock, die cut the Love You die, making sure to keep all of the pieces that form the design. Attach the die cut to the card using the tape runner or glue. Cut another piece of white cardstock to 6" by 4". Using the JudiKins Heart Duo rubber stamp and the Distress ink, stamp the wide cardstock. Use the Ohuhu art marker to handwrite your personal message. Use the tape runner to attach the stamped cardstock to the inside of the card. For this and more fun projects and project supplies, visit our website. And don't forget to like us on social media.